Hi, I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy, and today let's talk a little bit more about German grammar. And this is also part of my German course for beginners, so if you like you can check it out. But let's get started. And today's topic are the possessive pronouns in German. So let's see what we need to know. So here is a car, the car, das Auto in German. No? I use the green color because here it's nominative. Nominative means it's the subject in the sentence, and car has a neuter article, so it's a neuter noun. Okay, so now we need to know how we say my car when it's a neuter noun in nominative. Do you have any idea? So I show you. So the neuter noun is mein Auto. So we have here mein Auto, my car. So let's see how we would say your car. Your car in this case, dein Auto. Okay, your car, dein Auto. Now we have the third person. So we start with his car. And his car in German means sein Auto. Okay, mein, dein, sein. Quite straightforward. And we have also its car. So das ist das Mädchen, it's neuter, so we need to say its car. So here we say sein Auto. Okay, and when we have a feminine word like die Frau, we could say her car. In this case, ihr Auto. Here there's quite a change. So we say ihr Auto, her car. So now let's see the plural. In plural, to say our car means unser Auto. Your car means euer Auto. And in third person, their car, ihr Auto. So here you see her car and their car is the same, ihr Auto. No? So we need to see the context always. And we have also the formal way in German to say your car in a formal way. And that's also ihr Auto, but remember that the I is capitalized. So ihr Auto, your car in a formal way. So this is everything when we have a neuter noun, okay, and our possessive pronoun is in nominative. So no, here we see it, that was our example. But now the big question is, no, how is it for, let's say, masculine, feminine or plural nouns, and maybe in accusative or dative? Okay, so let's have a look here. So let's start with a masculine noun. And do you remember I had a video where I explained to you this table, and where I had the example sentence, ein Vater gibt einem Sohn einen Ball. Okay, a father gives to a son a ball. So how would it now to say my father gives my son my ball? Okay, in this moment, because here we see we have the indefinite article ein Vater gibt einem Sohn einen Ball. And interestingly, the possessive pronouns will take the same endings, and so it becomes mein Vater gibt meinem Sohn meinen Ball. You see, mein Vater, no ending, like in einem Sohn, the same ending, like in einem, and meinen Ball, again the same ending, like in einen. So it's really related to the indefinite article. So mein Vater gibt meinem Sohn meinen Ball. And neuter, it's the same thing. Our example here would be ein Kind gibt einem Pferd ein Brot. And then it just changes like this. Mein Kind gibt meinem Pferd mein Brot. For feminine, the same thing. Our example here. Eine Mutter gibt einer Tochter eine Puppe. Meine Mutter gibt meiner Tochter meine Puppe. And in the plural, there's actually no indefinite article. So my example was, keine Eltern geben keinen Kindern keine Sachen. So no parents give to no children, no things. Or a little bit strange example, but it shows good what we need to know. So and here the same thing, when we change it to the possessive pronoun, it takes the same ending. So meine Eltern geben meinen Kindern meine Sachen. So no surprise, okay? So if you know the indefinite article, then you also know the endings of the possessive pronouns. So here we have the table, so it includes actually everything, and we need just one more case. It's called genitive and it shows possession, but it's really hardly used in the spoken language. So I didn't explain it too much because it's a beginner course and we want to focus on the most important things. But this is a table you just need to know. Here you find the definite article, the indefinite article, and also the endings for the possessive pronouns. So and remember, you see a kind of a pot here, no? What's inside the pot, no? Doesn't change the ending, but if it's outside the pot, you will see that the ending will change, or the article will change. So stick to this and you will really master all the possessive pronouns. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you soon in my next video where I explain you a little bit more about German grammar. Bye bye.